afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Protecting our planet
one small step at a time.
I am Jerome Soriano.
And my name is Agustin Giovanni.
From College of the Recent Life.
Dedicate their time, energy, and resources towards protecting and preserving the environment through their relentless efforts. Eco Warriors inspire change about the importance of recycling. This design shows often feature colors characters who empower eco-friendly and adventurous, teaching viewers about the future. They promote awareness about the impact of the rain on the planet and inspires children to become eco-warriors. Actively participate in recycling efforts, but without knowing if it's finding effective, popular distance, sensitive. Remember, it is important to recycle and make environmentally conscious choices.
Who passionately advocates for and take actions to protect the environment. As I am dedicated to those people who are dedicated to individuals who strive to stop the activities that harm the environment and work towards preserving and conserving natural resources. What I can do to zero waste or empty food knowledge is just simply using my advocacy. My advocacy is raising awareness about environmental issues and inspiring positive change, inspiring ambitions to become a catalyst for change, and using the and creative strategies to influence and effective actions and raise awareness about climate change. By simply planting more seeds of love and raise and bring the church of wisdom to everyone's daily life. Remember, it is important to recycle and make environmental conscious choices to minimize our impact on the planet and to support eco